guys! For those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. I'm going to show you how to make a new trend that has been going on Instagram, which is called the cupcake letterbox. I really hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So there you go. This is how I make the cupcake letterbox. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.